My name is Rhonda, and I am very grateful for College of Planning Experts simply because I feel being a divorced parent, I'm kind of going through this process on my own. I have an older son who I feel kind of failed because I was so concerned with finances and I just feel completely at ease with the whole process now because I feel like there's somebody there for me, supporting me. Any questions that I have, anything that I am not sure of, I just pick up the phone, call, and somebody always has the right answer for me. Just even if I knew the answer, they're guiding me through it and making me feel like I'm doing the right thing. And so I would, in a heartbeat, recommend everyone here at College Planning Experts. They have been a comfort for me throughout this whole process. Thank you.